Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgososha Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. There's a viral video laphana kuma social media platforms yemntwana lobonakala meme amntwana lesicabanga ukuthi umntwana wakubo mhlambe bamile ngazuthi basemvuselelweni kusebusuku. They don't look like bagezile. Balabaningi beve buhlungu ngale lesimanga ngendlela lesimanga mababona le video, because people felt ukuthi usasemntwana lo mntwana and already so memana lo mnye mfana uyabona nje ukuthi nesimo asikho right. So people felt ukuthi it's not okay for umuntu omdala ukuthi ayoba nebantwana aqedze lapha ngakhona kubanakekela kufuna abantwana bagadane. Someone was taking a video so le video yakhona igcine seyitholakala nje seyicirculate kuma-social media platforms, legcine yenta abantu abaningi bakhulume ngayo futhi bakhulume into leti ngabaphathi kahle, bakhulume nje ukuthi cha le video it's so heartbreaking, ibuhlungu ngendlela lesimanga. Uyabona ukuthi abantwana bayatela baphethwe ebuthongo but bamile laphayana, uphi mntali? People are just asking the same question ukuthi mntali walabantwana uphi umntwana walabantwana if bantwana batholakala ebusuku bamemene angale ndlela abanebuthongo bafuna kulala, but uyabona nje ukuthi sho ukuthi bathi gada bhuti wakho makwe bantwana uphi. So balabaningi nje bakhuluma ngayo le video lapha kuma-social media platforms. Some were even criticizing the person uthethe le video, bathi wena uthathelani video lefana nale ndlela yobuthi le video lena ebuhlungu futhi ayisi right. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. So goodbye.